Hello everyone, this is Louise out here at Skipper's Hill Farm. I feel like I should be doing a weather report. It's such a gorgeous day. Blue sky, no breeze, it's really lovely. Can't believe it's almost Thanksgiving. So I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who drove out here for our first annual farm day. I had such a great time with you and I was just so thankful that almost 150 of you made it out to celebrate with us. And to those that couldn't come, hopefully you'll be able to come next year for our second annual farm day. We survived the first, we're determined to have the second. Anyway, thank you so much, and I just wanted to let you know how much I appreciate you, and hope that you all have a very wonderful, happy Thanksgiving. Bye for now.